വൈഡ് കോട്ടയം സെഷൻ ആണ് നമ്മളിവിടെ സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത്. സോ ഇതൊരു ട്രെയിനിങ് പ്രോഗ്രാം ആണ്. സോ എന്താണ് ട്രെയിനിങ് പ്രോഗ്രാം എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ വി ആർ ഗോയിങ് ടു ലേൺ എ ലോട്ട്. നമ്മൾ ഇവിടുന്ന് കുറെ പഠിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നുണ്ട്. സോ നമ്മൾ ശ്രദ്ധിക്കേണ്ട കുറച്ച് കാര്യങ്ങൾ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ വി ഷുഡ് ഹാവ് പെൻ ആൻഡ് പേപ്പർ, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ബുക്ക് പേപ്പർ ഉണ്ടാവണം. വിൽ ഹാവ് ലോട്ട് ഓഫ് വിസ്ഡം കമ്മിങ് ഇൻ. അതൊക്കെ നമുക്ക് എഴുതിയെടുക്കണം. ബിക്കോസ് നമ്മളൊരു ലീഡേഴ്സ് ആണ് അല്ലെ. ഒരു ലീഡർ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ വി ഷുഡ് ബി പെർഫെക്റ്റ് സ്റ്റുഡൻസ്. എന്നാലും നമുക്ക് ലീഡേഴ്സ് ആവാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ, ശരിയല്ലേ? സോ വി ഷുഡ് ഹാവ് ദീസ് തിങ്സ്. ആൻഡ് ഓൾസോ മോസ്റ്റ് ഇമ്പോർട്ടന്റ്ലി നമ്മൾ ഒരു ബിസിനസ് അറ്റയറിൽ ഇരിക്കണം എന്തായാലും. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ വീഡിയോ ഓൺ ചെയ്യാം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ വീഡിയോ ഓഫ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് നമുക്ക് ഇത് അറ്റൻഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. ഓക്കെ. സോ റൈറ്റ് നൗ I'm going to invite for the system talk Mr. PD Sharma. He is having 36 years of experience in construction industry, and also he is a successful leader in Brick Worldwide. So I am inviting PD Sharma to this Kottayam session. Sir, over to you, sir.
Right. Thank you very much. A very good evening to all of you. And I would like to start by thanking the Almighty to be in such a very good, such an opportunity, and to be amongst people like you, and to be in the system of BRIT Worldwide. Moreover, and I'd like to thank the BWW leaders here for giving me this opportunity to speak a few words on the system. As very well introduced, my name is Prashanta Deva Sharma. I am connected from Guwahati, Assam, and yes, I am from Sir Daniel Matthews' team. So thank you, Daniel sir, and thank you, BRIT Worldwide. So yeah, as we are, this is a post-pandemic area time now. We are getting to the near normal situation now, and this business has proved to be a very, very successful one. In the last year, we all know about it, and this has been because of a very, very strong system-based business. We all know this is a very strong system-based business, and because of the system, we have been able to survive and strive to the last pandemic year. So as I have been told, my topic today is on the system of this business. So while knowing about the system, when we talk about system, it is basically we have these 9 core steps, 953 BIB. In very precise way, it has been designed, and this is the system actually of this business. So out of that, I would not go to all the details of the 9 core steps, but basically saliently, am I audible, please? I'm sorry. Am I audible?
Yeah, you're audible. Yes.
Okay. Thank you. So I'll just like to go with the three basic points, 3 points of the 9 core steps. Those are the teachability, accountability, and connectivity or counseling with our growing upline. Why? I mean, I find the other things are okay. The 6 steps: find books, CDs, functions, using products, STP, and retailing. These are definitely very core parts. But why these 3 parts I have chosen? Because this is basically the glue. It is the glue of the complete system. These are, we know this is a people's business, and we have to deal with people. And for dealing with people, basically, we have to be personally we have to have a very big self-image. We have to have our self-image in a very high way. So that if we can build our self-image, our business grows. This is what I have been, been taught about in the system so far. In one of the CDs of Shivaramakrishnan, he has specifically told that this business, if you do not consider it as a typical business, because it's a unique one, but this business is an extension of life, and it is basically a character building. If you can build your character, and accordingly the business grows. So these 3 points, basically teachability, accountability, and connectivity with the uplines, are basically precisely on character building. And if we see, this is part of the business, because our business, if we can embrace it as a part of our life, then you will see that these virtues are very, very important. So uh, I know we are in the leadership, we are all leaders here. I do not want to go in the details of the teach, but what I have understood and what I have been taught about and what I have experienced is these virtues, basically teachability. If I would like to specific about the teachability virtue of a human being, that is the willingness to learn. If you're open to learn everything, then it becomes easier. One another aspect is that one of the in our business, one principle is the duplicability. It is a You have to simply know how you can duplicate your successful leaders and successful peers. So while duplicating, you have to be a very good student, and without being a very good student, it is very difficult to grasp. And so that teachability virtue is very, very important, so that we can duplicate the things which our successful leaders, successful people has been doing it. Then it becomes easier for us. As we have already known, we have a lot of our leaders has to say that you succumb your brain to the appliance here, then it becomes very easier for us. But that becomes very difficult actually. So that is the virtue if we can cultivate among ourselves, then it becomes easier for us. So teachability basically is that it is an advantage here to learn and do the things what successful leaders has been doing it. Teachability again is connected very much with the accountability part. Accountability is a great virtue of a human being. And personally, if you have to see that if you're accountable to your actions, then that means what? You have to be responsible. Responsible to yourself, responsibilities to the business, responsibility to the ethics and values of this business. Then it becomes very easier. Accountability is what you say in a very precise way, what you say you do, and what you do you say. And you have to keep your words. That is the accountability, and that is the responsibility of a person. So if I am responsible to my values and to my ethics and to the ethics of this business course, then it becomes very easier. It helps you to build this business. While dealing with persons, the time and money, these things has to be a very much accountability, because these are the things where negativity creeps up, and then it shatters your characters and shatters the business also. So you have to have the virtue of being responsible for. Uh, if I have to say a little bit more about it, successful people, you see, they always talk about certain values of the human being: honesty, integrity. These things are part of this accountability things, and trustworthiness. These are very, very vital for us to be in this business and to grow in this business. So we have to take some time. We have to be always alert to take points of these things, whether I am doing the things right way or not. And if you can judge yourself, if you can feel yourself you're doing the right things the right way, then it becomes very easier for us to grow in this business. Willingness to do what is right, that is another virtue, or it is part of the accountability part. So you see, these are basically value based what you call virtues, where you do not need much of an investment. It is simply the mindset and the willingness to be alert on the things that, okay, if whether I'm responsible to my downlines, to my teams, whether I'm responsible myself to the appliance, to the teachings, to the system. If you can every action, every thought, if you can just by that particular point of responsibility, I think it becomes very easier. I know even for me also, it took me a lot of time to gather things. Even I am also in the process of correcting myself, amending myself, my characteristics and all. So it is always there. It's ever growing things. So we need to be alert every day and every moment to be uh, to be more responsible to your words and actions and more accountable. Now, the third point definitely is connectivity with the growing upline. See, this is the most vital, what I feel and what I have been taught about. This is the most vital. In simple way, if you talk, if you say, well, if you follow the system, then even we have been taught that the system is nothing but upline, your growing upline. If you have a very good rapport, if you have a very good connectivity with my growing upline, then there is no doubt you can be in the good, what you call, road to the success. Because upline is the concise concise thing of the system. He will guide you each and every moment. If you have that connectivity with him, then he will always guide you to do the right things the right way. So being accountable, being teachable, all these things, quality has to be there. But above all, if you have a very good rapport with your connectivity, very good connectivity with the upline, because so when you sail, when you sail in a boat, but you might be having the oars and all, but basically in the peak and the end of the what you call boat, there is always a oarsman with the long oars in him. He guides the path. You might be rowing about, you might be rowing, and you always have the eye on the oarsman. He will guide with the oarsman. That is what the role of the upline is. So, and moreover, if you see when you sail, then when you go in the boat, you always have an eye on the oarsman, because he is the leader and he used to guide. He says, okay, row this way, row that way. That way you can sail through the different waters, even the high tide also. So that is how, if you can think that your upline is the oarsman of your business, then definitely it will always help you. So these are the very, very finer points. I know my times with the very, what you call, little bit of time, but what I understand and what I have thought about and what I have been guided about so far with my mentorship with our uplines and all. So that way, I think this is what basically the three virtues of a person, of a successful leader, and of a successful business for all of us. So as I've already started in the beginning itself, I have told that this is the glue. You can be very good in this what you call STP. You can be very good in retailing. You can be very good. You are a 100% user. You read books. You what you call, you always connected with the association and all. But this characters building process, if you can be very good, teachable, accountable, and very good connectivity with your upline, growing upline, then this becomes a very, very core, you become a core person. And with this glue, you can definitely be a very good successful businessman and a very good, what you call, good future for all of us. So I hope I have been able to, what you call, send a message to all the leaders here. So with this, I would like to conclude as my time is almost over. And I again, once again, thanks the BWW Galaxy here for giving me this opportunity to speak about little about the system talks. And with this note of thanks, I conclude and back to host. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. With this limited time, you have explained the three key points of character building. Thank you so much, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you for that very well explained. And we have explained. You have explained each dynamics of each the last three core steps. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you once again. Thank you.
So to the next session, that is product session. നമ്മൾ product session